Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Epic Games Launcher's setup wizard ended prematurely. So while you are on the setup of the Epic Games Launcher and it states the error message, Epic Games Launcher setup wizard ended prematurely, then let's go quick into the fix. So in the Windows search bar, or just simply make a right click at the start button and then select Task Manager. Now maximize this, then simply click on Run New Task so that we can create a new task from here. Type here msiexec.exe. Check this box, create this task with administrative privileges. Click on Browse. Then click on Downloads and then click on this drop down arrow and choose All Files. Here you'll find Epic Installer. This one, Epic Games Launcher. Click on it and then select Open. Click on OK. Close the Task Manager window. Then you have to click on Repair. You have two options right here. Repair repairs errors in the most recent installation by fixing missing and corrupt files, shortcuts, and registry entries. Click on Repair. Click on Repair again. Now let's wait for this. So after that, open the setup file and then continue it. So this time it will work. For the next method is we need to right click at the start button, select File Explorer, then click on the Windows C drive. Look for the program files x86, double click, then look for the Epic Games, make a right click and then select Delete. And once done, try to continue the setup. Then for the final method is we can also temporarily disable the antivirus because this can block the setup. So if you are using any third-party antivirus softwares like the Malwarebytes, Discord, or McAfee, then try to temporarily disable that. Click on the show hidden icons in the taskbar. You can find that from here. So if you are using any, then just simply quit that from here and click on the Windows security icon. Then simply click on the Virus and Threat Protection. Under Virus and Threat Protection Settings, click on Manage Settings. Then just simply turn off the real-time protection and then continue the setup. And once the setup has been completed, then go back to the same Windows security window and then enable it because this is a very important security for your Windows. So once done, close this. So if any of these solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.